Hi guys, today we are bringing our parrot.
Alexandrine female to get
Yeah.
her practice to fly in the air.
And also I'm checking my harness isn't fit for my pet or not.
Yeah, we made this harness by the guidance of YouTube. Okay, guys,
See you later. We have
like
a
our
nice
page
flight.
at YouTube.
And we are try fly free today. First time with harness.
It's not a fly harness, it's a fly. चल बात कर